Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to managing notification summaries in iOS 18.3. So basically in this you will just customizing your alerts. So if I just swipe down, so this is my notification center. So when someone's notifying from the email or WhatsApp messages or some iPhone settings, so basically AI identify like AI generated summarize in iOS 18.3. So now display summarized notification. So the visual cue ensures clarity and transparency. So basically these features is allowed in latest iPhone model, which is like 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max. But right now I will be just using iPhone 12 simple, so there is no feature. And I will also updated my phone with the iOS 18.3. I will just show you, but right now I will be not options like the latest of phone. Example, I will just swipe down, and if you're using the iPhone 15 or 16, and if the notification I will just swipe left, so there is an option of more. So you will just tap on it, the options, and you will just see the feature of turn off summaries to disable summaries for that specific app, so it will turn it off easily. So that's it. So in this way you will have to customizing your alerts in iOS 18.3. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.